Ontario reported more than 4,200 new cases of COVID-19 on Friday. Even excluding several hundred cases attributed to a data upload delay in Toronto, this is a record-breaking infection total.
Today's numbers are, to be frank, they are scary.
Premier Doug Ford urged Ontarians to stay home, avoid gatherings, and follow other public health measures, and said if these continue to be ignored, the ongoing province-wide shutdown won't end as scheduled at the end of January, and Ontario will have to look at more extreme measures.
We are in a crisis. That's how I can describe it. It is scary, and we need to work together.
Associate Chief Medical Officer of Health, Dr. Barbara Yaffe, said she thinks more serious measures need to be considered.
We need to consider all possible measures to contain this infection. We don't want more people dying. We don't want the ICUs overwhelmed. We don't want morgues overwhelmed. And I know we don't want to scare people, but on the other hand, I think there's too much complacency.
The Premier also said Ontario has ramped up its rollout of COVID-19 vaccines and is quickly running out of doses. The federal Procurement Minister said Friday that her government is focused on getting doses into Canada at the earliest possible moment. Ottawa Public Health said Friday that the COVID levels in our community are the highest they've been since the pandemic began, and we're once again in crisis. They asked Ottawans to make wise choices this weekend. Meanwhile, OPH has ranked all 28 long-term care homes in Ottawa to determine the order in which they should receive the COVID-19 vaccine. A number of homes at the top of the list have already received vaccinations. Taylor BLEWETT, PostMedia.